Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pepe coin BSC token. Ticker symbol is PPC. This token is in the top gainer section right now on CoinMarketCap. It is up 102.8%. Now clearly this is just a knockoff of the Pepe token. There's so many knockoffs of the Pepe token. Some of them have more original concepts and names though. Like this one is just Pepe coin BSC and has a yellow Pepe instead of a green Pepe. It's not very, it's not super original or anything like that. It's a little more clever when it's like Pepe AI CEO or something like that, and it'll be Pepe in a suit like Elon Musk, but he's also a cyborg. Or, different things like that, like Salt and Pepe, where he's Salt Bay and he's doing the salt. A little more clever when they come up with stuff like that. Pepe coin BSC is like, not original, and then you just turn the frog yellow. I mean, okay, it is in the top gainer section. There is a warning, though, at the top of the coin market cap page. We're going to go over that in a second, too, as well. We're also going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, like I said, this token just got put into the top gainer section. I believe it was in there last night as well, but this morning it is up 102.88%. Now there is a warning at the top of the page here. It says, according to Gopless Labs, the smart contract of the following asset has high buy and sell tax. Please exercise caution before taking any action and do your own research. Now, if they have 0% taxes and they claim that on their webpage, then they're charging excessive high and like their slippage is super high, then very sketchy, of course. Now, if there's a reason why the tax is high and there's something going on with the tokenomics, then okay. But we're going to go over that in a second to see what the issue is with that, and hopefully we could find an answer. Now, this is a Binance Smart Chain token. So if you did want to buy this token, all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Go into the dApps, find Pancake Swap, and then trade your BSC for the Pepe coin BSC token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage. You can find it on their white paper too, I'm sure. Or you can find it on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko or their BSC scan, which is also on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. Now, they do have a BSC trace here that you can click on. If you just click on the contract, it doesn't say BSC scan specifically, but if you click on BSC trace, which is just the contract address, it'll show you right now they have 5,676 holders. So they're doing very well, this token here. Right now they have a fully diluted market cap of $2.57 million, 9 decimal places on this token, 25,859 transfers, and a total supply here of, that is a million, billion, trillion, 420 quadrillion tokens. So there is a decent amount of tokens here. So their white paper is the V1 version. Right at the very top of their white paper, you can easily find their contract address if you're looking for it. and their Twitter and Telegram are real easy to find here on Coin Market Cap as well. It says 24-hour trading volume is up 2,358% right now. So today's the day that they're doing amazing here. They're up so their 24-hour trading volume is $172,000. $2.5 million, it says, is their market cap and their fully diluted market cap. Now, their Telegram is at Pepe Coin B20. And it says, PPC, the meme king, Pepe is here to make meme coins great again. And they have 8,483 Telegram members. They seem to be doing well on almost everything here. The only thing sketchy to me so far is that warning there at the top of the CoinMarketCap page. So hopefully we can learn about taxes on their white paper here. Their white paper is only 5 pages long, so meme coins don't have very technical information, of course. 75 tweets. They just joined in April 2023, so they're pretty active on their Twitters here. And as always, I put the Twitter in the top corner of the page so you can find this token easily. 7,190 followers on Twitter. So yeah, their socials, everything's doing very well. They got over 5,000 holders. Trading volume's way up today. So yes, it says the V1 version of the white paper, Pepe Coin. They're here to make meme coins great again. So this token was born exclusively for the BNB Smart Chain blockchain, inspired by the Pepe Coin. The Enus have had their day. It's time for the most recognizable meme in the world to take the reign as king of the memes. Now, a lot of tokens have that tagline, and to me it's weird. I don't know if they're all copying each other or if they're all made by the same team or what. Like, that's, to me, when I keep reading the same sort of white paper or web page over and over again, it's like, because they always say the Enus have had their day, these certain taglines. It's like the same person's making these tokens, right? So to me, it's kind of weird. Like, then if the same person is making these tokens and a lot of them get rugged or something like that, then be aware if you see the same similar taglines and tokens on web pages and white papers, then go, oh, well, I heard that tagline before. That token got rugged, so this one will probably get rugged too. That's a good way to think about it. Or they could be just using the same type of slogans. So it's hard to say, right? Unless some of them have like identical wording through the whole thing, and then you're like, okay, they're made by the same team. Pepe is here to make meme coins great again. Launched stealth with no pre-sale, no team tokens, LP burnt, and contract renounced. PPC is a coin for the people, forever fueled by pure memetic power. Let PPC show you the way. So they got launched on PancakeSwap at the end of April. It says contract is renounced. Will there be a burn? Yes. And that will be announced on their social media, it says. So follow their Telegram or Twitter to find out burns. So it says total tax is 10%. But then it doesn't say why. So why? Why is it 10%? So let's open their webpage to see if it says on their webpage. Because on their white paper it just says 10%. It doesn't say why. Maybe it's token burns. I don't know. Will there be... where will it be listed? It says PancakeSwap and then other central exchanges in the future. I don't believe it said any other central exchange listings on CoinMarketCap. I think it just said PancakeSwap. So if we scroll down on CoinMarketCap, you can see the section where it says where it's listed. It says, so 93.1% of the tokens will be added to liquidity and locked for 365 days. And yeah, tokenomics, let's see if it says about the taxes in here. So 6.9% is of the tokens are reserved for central exchange listings. They have a roadmap on here. Phase 1, Tier 1 central exchange listings, website redesign, Pepe BSC tool, more holders, more central exchange listings, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, PooCoin, Digital Times newsletter, launch, DEX tools, and more holders. So that's their roadmap on their white paper, basically. Not a ton of information on there. Now, yeah, let's just quickly look at their webpage here and see if we could find how does the transaction tax work, it says. So then it just says, again, there's a 10% buy and sell fee. But what does it go to? It doesn't say. So that's annoying. It doesn't say in 3 different places what the tax goes to. And let's see if they have any central exchange listings. Yeah, it just looks like Pancake Swap as of now, unless they've announced it on their socials, which I haven't gone through every tweet yet. But yeah, definitely take this token with a grain of salt, because they're not telling you what the taxes are for, and they say that they can have really high taxes on CoinMarketCap, so who knows how high they can put them. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.